can you sell real estate without a real estate license? So if you're interested in staying out of real estate jail, right, or jail itself, right, you can incur criminal penalties that range from misdemeanors to felonies if you represent yourself as a real estate agent, buying, selling, leasing, doing transactions in the real estate market. Now, you can, however, sell a home as a person, as a owner, in a for sale by owner transaction. That's not illegal. But anytime you represent yourself as an agent, if you're not an agent, for instance, in Kentucky, the first time misdemeanor. After that, it's a felony. In New Mexico, it's a felony off the bat. You're also looking, in addition to criminal proceedings, you're looking at fines that range, I believe, from $1,000 to $5,000 per transaction, depending on how serious it is. So the quick answer, other than being for sale by owner, is don't impersonate, do not try to act as a real estate agent if you have not taken the courses, successfully passed, and received certification as a licensed real estate agent.